These cave stone fours sat everywhere. But to be honest with you, to me, they are a 10 out of 10. Yo, too, it's your boy Mo, and today we will be reviewing the Cave Stone 4s. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, y'all. Did y'all pick up the Cave Stones? Do you plan on getting some? Or are you gonna wait till they go on sale? Or get them under retail? For starters, you get a nice Jumpman type box. Like I always say, you cannot wear the box, but it's nice to have good presentation to come with the shoes that you bought. And on this box, you know I'm heavy on texture. For the cave stones, you got a nice cave feel and look. These released for $215, I think, or 220, but they're highly available for y'all. And if you got rewards and stuff, I would highly recommend for you to use those. Or just wait, because there's plenty of pairs out there for y'all. And they might go on sale. But let me tell you something. They are totally worth it. I truly bought these shoes because I love them, man. I went to the store, seen them in person, and they looked great. I mean, y'all can't take it away from that. I mean, they're not the hypest shoe, and there's not a lot of hype around them, but look wise, if you say these are fugly, you tripping. You still get that original Nike Air on the casters, and you know we love that, y'all, because that's how the original J's came. Y'all are probably looking at my shoes like, where did he get sail and black strings? They do not come with these. They originally come with the cave stone color laces, but I thought about it. Well, my partner helped me with the sale, but I originally was like, I know the black will make it look good. I was right. He said the sale will make it look good, and that makes them pop a lot more. So you originally get these gray ones coming with the shoe. So that's one downfall I would say about the shoe. Should have came with some extra laces like the undefeateds and the bricks, but hey, it's okay. They're only a couple bucks, so I mean y'all should be able to buy two, $3, $4 laces. The brown color suede though, it could just go with a lot. It could go with a lot. This is a very neutral colored shoe. But yeah, y'all, these came out to be fuego. I mean, I love the earthy neutral upper, the brown. You will be able to put this together with a lot of fits. You also get the black netting on there, which makes the shoe really pop. Like, it seemed like they should have included those black laces with all these hints of black around. The Cave Stone 4s come with a Jumpman flight tongue, as you can see. I think look wise, just look wise, not height wise, just put all that aside. I think these personally look better than the undefeateds. The soles are actually kind of unique too. Uh, if you look closely, it's a little translucent. That's kind of cool right there. That's different. It's a little see-through effect. The suede on here is pretty milky too. You know what I'm saying? I heard a lot of people had like factory problems and defects, but I went in a store. Let me tell y'all, I went in the store. The first pair I actually got that they put in front of me at the register was it was cleats, man. Let me tell you, it was cleats. It was just spots all over stuff. I said, now I'm paying my hard-earned money to get these. Y'all got to take these back and get me a fresh pair. I don't play like that. You feel me? I'm lucky that there was a lot of stock of these though. Thank God, because sometimes you can't get a trade because there's limited stock in your size. So that was good. But yeah, y'all, these are heat. But no worries, because there's billions and billions of pairs for y'all. So, you know, just wait for the sale, I guess, or use your rewards to get them. But make sure you get some of these. I mean, it's no rush, but make sure you grab some of these because they look good. They look real good. But yeah, I know I got some fancy laces on these right now, but I'm gonna relace them again for the video sake for y'all.
You know who made it.